Having your own BMW isn't just about owning a car. It's also about being part of a comprehensive and competent system of experts. Whether it be for a special check, scheduled maintenance, or a local regulatory inspection, you can expect top-notch service every time. You don't even have to worry about knowing when to get your car checked. The onboard condition-based service system tells you when any maintenance is due or any wear and tear part is up for replacement. Intelligent sensors in your BMW vehicle monitor the status of all parts and car fluids. And when your next maintenance is due, the date of your next vehicle check will be flashed on your car's information display. With BMW's team of experts, going on the road has never been this easy.